John A. Roebling, the man who crossed an ocean and built a bridge. Imagine a world where the size and length of suspension bridges was severely limited and crossing a major waterway could be dangerous under the best of circumstances. That was the world that John A. Roebling saw when he immigrated from Prussia to America in 1831. Initially trying his hand at farming, he soon realized he was in the wrong business. He abandoned the plow to reinvent the bridge. Having studied engineering and architecture in school, Roebling understood that the biggest limitation for suspension bridges was the hemp ropes that most were supported by. He thought a robust steel cable made of a smaller twisted wire would be far stronger, far more durable, and would allow bridges to be far longer. And so he established a company factory to do exactly that. His company would eventually produce wire for bridges around the world, including the Golden Gate Bridge. But his masterpiece wasn't wire, it was an actual bridge, the Brooklyn Bridge. An engineering marvel that defied gravity and united a city. He would actually never see it. He died from an injury sustained while surveying land for it. And his son would go on to build the bridge using his designs after his father died. So if you've ever walked across the Brooklyn Bridge or been on any giant suspension bridge, you can thank John Roebling and the American system that beckoned him from across the ocean. The incredible thing about innovators like Roebling is that it tells us that practically everything in modern life started somewhere with someone's big idea. And we should most certainly be grateful, but we should also be inspired. And so the question is, what's your big idea? What will you do?